Now, the national capital is all set to witness a massive tractor rally led by farmers on Republic Day. Preparations are on for the parade in full swing. Tractors from Punjab, Haryana have already started reaching Delhi's borders. It is estimated that over 13,000 tractors have already reached the borders. This comes in the backdrop of a conditional nod that was given to farmers by the Delhi police, allowing farmers an over 100-kilometer rally inside the national capital. In fact, the rally will be held from Delhi's 3 border points, Singhu, Tikri and Ghazipur. The rally at Ghazipur border will be about 46 kilometers long, 60 kilometers long at the Singhu border and 63 kilometers long at the Tikri border. Farmer unions have issued a set of instructions making national flag must on tractors. Unions have also banned any weapons or drugs in this rally, saying that anyone found to have those in possession will be strictly acted against. Unions have also deployed 3,000 volunteers. All mostly will be dressed in green. They're going to be hired by a private agency to ensure strict security arrangements in place during this tractor rally. Police too are going to be on high alert.
जो ट्रैक्टर रैली को लेकर मंजूरी मिली है वो मंजूरी से हमें मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि मंजूरी तो ठीक नहीं मिली। जो पहले रिंग रोड पे जो पुराना रिंग रोड है उस पे जाने का था, जो भी वो रिंग रोड हमारे को दिया जाए, हम उस पे रैली करके वापस हम पीसफुली अपने यहाँ कैंप में आ जाएंगे। लेकिन जो शर्तों के साथ वो रैली निकालने के लिए दिया गया है रिंग रोड, वो तो है भी बहुत थोड़ा, और है दिल्ली में नहीं है, हरियाणा में ज़्यादा पड़ता है।
जैसे सिंघू बॉर्डर है 100 किलोमीटर का रूट है, वैसे टिकरी बॉर्डर है वो 110 किलोमीटर का है, वैसे जो गाजीपुर है वो 50 किलोमीटर का। ऐसे ही टोटल हमारा जो रूट मैप है पाँचों का वो 500 किलोमीटर हैगा रूट मैप, वो हमने बना लिया है। पाकिस्तान क्यों करेगा कि सरकार इंतजाम करे साइड ते, बाकी असी जिहड़ा आपदी रैली का साडे बंदों कोई गड़बड़ नहीं करेगा, वो असी आप दा इंतजाम करेंगे। वलंटियर असी फोर्स बना ली है, 3000 बंदा साडा वलंटियर इनू टेक करेगा, तो बाकी जिहड़े हमारे लोग ने वो उनको देखेंगे।
फाइनल ये यहाँ से हम अक्षरधाम जाएंगे, अक्षरधाम से वापसी आएंगे और वापसी से फिर आनंद विहार और फिर आगे बॉर्डर को हम निकल जाएंगे, जो अगला बॉर्डर है उससे निकल जाएंगे। ये तो शायद 40 किलोमीटर का ये रूट है अभी, और उन्होंने कहाँ से कहाँ तक का नापा है ये नहीं पता, लेकिन दिल्ली में शायद ये 25-30 किलोमीटर का दिल्ली का या 40 किलोमीटर का है, कुछ इस तरह का रूट है।
Hundreds of tractors have left Punjab to take part in Kisan Ganatantra Parade. We are in one of the tractors which is heading towards New Delhi. We can see there are tricolors on both the sides of this tractor. Besides the tricolors, these farmers have also fixed Nishan Sahib, which is a holy symbol of the Sikhs. These tractors are specially designed. There are high-powered music systems, and besides the music systems, these tractors and these farmers are marching towards New Delhi. Most of these farmers are youngsters, are saying that they will continue to protest even after the Kisan Ganatantra Parade, as 11th round of talks between the center and the farmer unions remains inconclusive, and these farmers are adamant and saying they will continue to protest till these contentious formulas are not revealed. With video journalist Dilip Sahu, this is Manjit Sehgal in Dappar, Mohali for India Today.
All right, here are visuals coming in of Delhi Police Commissioner there, in a huddle, trying to discuss security arrangements. You must remember, hats off to the police for actually giving a go-ahead to the tractor rally, considering it's already Republic Day. High security arrangements have been made for the annual Republic Day parade, and simultaneously they've got to up their forces and be as vigilant, in fact double the amount of forces that need to be deployed to ensure that the tractor rally also in the meanwhile is underway smoothly. Let's quickly cut across to some big news coming in. Sources have told India Today that Home Minister Amit Shah will hold a key meeting at 5 p.m. Delhi Police Commissioner, IB Chief, both MOS Home Ministers will be present. Here's a key meeting at 5 p.m. this evening by Home Minister Amit Shah. Will be holding a meet with Delhi Police Commissioner, IB Chief, both MOS Home Ministers to be present. Likely that they're going to be discussing security arrangements to be put in place. It's going to be heavy security for the tractor rally that will simultaneously take place on Republic Day. Of course, right after the annual Republic Day parade, the tractor rally will begin. So it is a double shift for police officials in Delhi. They're going to have good number of police officials on ground. In fact, they have to have pumped up forces, and that's precisely what discussions have taken place. 4 rounds with the farmers to try and see if they can avoid the tractor rally on Republic Day, considering that they're going to be already heavily stressed by the annual Republic Day parade. And on the other hand, they're going to have the tractor rally as well. It's going to take a lot for the police there to be vigilant and stay in place. Here's the police commissioner speaking.
किस तरीके से परेड होगा? एक सेकंड सर को बोलने दो।
ऐसा है, आप लोग डिसाइड कर लें क्या सवाल पूछना है
सर कल
और आपस में डिसाइड कर लें और एक व्यक्ति सवाल पूछ दे।
सर चलिए परेड परेड जो ट्रैक्टर परेड कल निकलनी है, उसके लिए किस तरीके की तैयारियां दिल्ली पुलिस ने की है? भाई एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन केवल
सर्वप्रथम पिछले 6-7 दिनों से बराबर हमारी किसान के नेताओं से हमारी बातचीत चल रही है और बातचीत के बाद हमने एक उनका रूट तय कर दिया है जिसको वो मानते हैं और उनके जो रिटन एप्लीकेशन में वो रूट भी उसी प्रकार से उन्होंने चिन्हित किया और जिसको हमने अग्री कर लिया है। एक तो ये है और दूसरा बराबर हमारा संपर्क है और हम हमेशा इन सारे रूट पे हम इस प्रकार से फैसिलिटेशन करेंगे उनको कि उनको रूट अपना जानकारी में रहे और उसी प्रकार से वो जाएं और हमने उनको साथ में ले जा कर के रूट भी दिखा दिया है।
सर लगातार इनपुट्स मिल रहे हैं,
इसी तरह का थ्रेट
परसेप्शन है, लगातार इनपुट्स मिल रहे हैं पुलिस को, किस तरह के इंतजाम रखे गए ताकि कोई भी असामाजिक जो एक्टिविटी है वो ना हो पाए?
आप बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं कि इस समय पे रिपब्लिक डे के अवसर पे और साथ में जो किसानों का यहाँ आना है उस पे कुछ उसका फ़ायदा उठा करके कुछ ऐसे राष्ट्र विरोधी लोग इसका उसमें गड़बड़ी पैदा कर सकते हैं और कुछ तो ऐसे भी हैं कि जो उकसाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। ये सब हमारे संज्ञान में है और हम जो भी उचित कार्रवाई लेना चाहिए वो ले रहे हैं।
वो कह रहे हैं कि हम जिस पुराने रूट में जाना चाहते थे उसी में जाएंगे, मतलब आउटर रिंग रोड तक जाने की वो बात।
कुछ किसान नेता सर अड़े हुए हैं, कुछ नहीं जाएंगे सर, सिर्फ कुछ किसान नेता कह रहे हैं।
हमारी सभी किसान नेताओं से बात हुई और बात करने के बाद हमने रूट तय कर लिया है और हम ये मानते हैं कि दिल्ली के वासियों को हित में ध्यान रखते हुए, राष्ट्र का गौरव को ध्यान में रखते हुए वे सारे लोग, ये लोग सारे जिम्मेवार लोग हैं और हम ये समझते हैं कि वो जो बताया हुआ जो रूट है, जो म्यूचुअली अग्रीड रूट है, उस पे वो जाएंगे।
सर अब तक ये लोग दावा कर रहे थे कि शांतिपूर्वक ये आंदोलन करेंगे, लेकिन कल रवनीत सिंह बिट्टू जो सांसद हैं उन पर भी किसानों ने हमला कर दिया, कुलबीर जीरा भी कर चुके हैं। आपको लगता है बड़ी चुनौती होगी इस परेड को निकलवाना दिल्ली पुलिस के लिए?
देखिए, सबके सहयोग से किसान नेताओं और हर एक जो किसान जो यहाँ आए हुए हैं उनका सहयोग से, दिल्ली के जो नागरिक हैं उनके सहयोग से हम ये सब चीज़ भली भांति हम पूरा कर लेंगे, इस पे मुझे पूरा विश्वास है।
की कोशिश करता है जिसपे म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग बनी है, तो उसके लिए किस तरीके के इंतजाम किए गए?
फिर से बोलें।
अगर जो रूट आपस में म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिल्ली पुलिस और किसान नेताओं के बीच में बनी है जिस रूट को लेकर, अगर उस रूट को वायलेट किया जाता है, उसका वायलेशन किया जाता है, तो उसके लिए क्या तैयारी दिल्ली पुलिस?
देखिए, सर्वप्रथम तो मैं ये उम्मीद नहीं करता हूँ कि इस प्रकार का चीज़ होगा जो कि अपनी वादे पे कोई मुकरे। ऐसा मैं नहीं समझता कि कोई ऐसा नहीं होगा कि जो जिम्मेवार ना हो, लेकिन अगर ऐसा होता है तो हम जो भी हमें कदम उठाने होंगे हम उठाने में पीछे नहीं रहेंगे।
सर एक तरफ 26 जनवरी का पर्व है और दूसरी तरफ ये जो टाइम लिमिट इनका कोई फ्रेम किया गया है कि कोई टाइम लिमिट इनका है, अगर मार्च निकालते हैं तो ऐसा?
जी हाँ, इसमें हमने
जो परमिशन ऑर्डर दिया है उसमें हम इस बात को क्लियर कर किया है कि किस समय तक वे दिल्ली में आ सकते हैं।
सर, किसानों का कहना है कि जो ट्रैक्टर रैली वो निकाल रहे हैं, जितने भी ट्रैक्टर हैं उनके, अगर रैली 11 बजे शुरुआत होती है तो जब तक सारे ट्रैक्टर वापस सिंगू बॉर्डर पर नहीं आ जाते हैं तब तक वो रैली चलती रहेगी। उनका एक 24 घंटे लगे या उसमें 10 घंटे लगे?
हमें तो ऐसा कोई कहा नहीं।
सर, किसानों के नेताओं का कहना
मैं डायरेक्ट जो हमारे से कहा जाता है मैं उन पे ध्यान देता हूँ।
Sir, can you please tell me, Nish, you have been having series of meetings with the farmers union. What has been decided and how do you think things will go?
See, we have discussed with the farmers leaders for the last 6 days. Even yesterday and today also, we are always in touch. We are having very good coordination with them. And based on the discussion, we have settled on at least 3 prominent routes. One at Ghazipur, the other one is for the Singhu, and the third one is for Tikri. And these routes have been mutually agreed. The various terms and conditions which are essential not only for the people of Delhi but also for the farmers themselves, those has been spelled out. And I believe, I have trust that everything will go on peacefully.
So yesterday we had a press conference where the senior officials had briefed that there are proxy accounts operating from Pakistan soil. So do you think there are some anti-national elements which could target this peaceful rally?
We always in such situations we do feel that such anti-national elements come into play, and we are careful about that.
Right. Thank you. Thank you.
All right, you have the Delhi Police Commissioner speaking, addressing the media there, saying that police are going to be vigilant. They've had multiple rounds of talks with the farmers and they've come to a consensus on the routes as well as do's and don'ts with regards to the tractor rally, saying that the farmers are going to be ensuring that the tractor rally is going to be at most peaceful. And here the police commissioner saying very clearly that they have found, intel reports do suggest that several external elements are going to try and create trouble. They're going to instigate people, and they're keeping a close watch on all those elements who are going to be troublesome on Republic Day's tractor rally, trying to instigate those farmers, possibly whatever could be the problem there. The police are keeping a close watch and a close eye. A warning of sorts that's being sent out by the Delhi Police Commissioner. He says that they have now come to an understanding that the tractor rally will be carried out across 3 routes, about 100-kilometer tractor rally. The tractor rally would cover 100 kilometers within Delhi and across the border areas along 3 routes, and they've come to a consensus with farmers on that. Let's quickly cut across to Ashutosh Mishra joining us from Singhu border, Kumar Kunal joining us from Ghazipur border. I'll start with Ashutosh. Ashutosh, we heard the police commissioner speak about external elements. Time and again, that government representatives, now even the police department says that intel reports suggest that there are some external elements who are attempting at instigating farmers and trying to create trouble. Possibly that will ensue tomorrow at the tractor rally, and the police are keeping a close watch on that. Now, what are the farmers saying to that extent? We know that they've released a list of do's and don'ts, including a strict warning to anybody who creates trouble will be taken strict action against. So the farmers are keeping their vigil. But what are they saying when reports of this kind, of this nature, constantly suggests that there are some external elements who are looking at trying to create trouble?
Well, you heard the Delhi Police Commissioner in consensus with the farmers. Finally, there is a go-ahead to the tractor rally parade. 100-kilometer territory inside the national capital with well-disciplined national flag on the tractors. They will move from Singhu border on the decided route. They will go and come back to their points. In the meanwhile, if I could just take you 180 degrees here at Singhu border, the number of these farmers from Punjab and Haryana has suddenly increased in the last 24 hours in a huge number. At the same time, the number of tractors has also increased multifolds, and all these tractors will be entering in the national capital with these flags, with the discipline as they have announced.
All right, we're seeing already farmers there geared up and full force. They've come out already. Tractor rally has begun. The tractors have already started to proceed towards the border areas from Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh. In fact, scores of farmers from Maharashtra have already made their way towards the national capital. We have Kumar Kunal joining us from Ghazipur border. Kumar, what's the sentiment, the mood like right at the border area with the farmers gearing up for the tractor rally? They've been parading a mock parade that they've carried out over the last few days in rehearsals. And it's a must for every tractor to be holding a flag, to be hoisting a flag on their tractor. They've got to go at a certain speed only, not above 15 to 20 kilometers per hour. They've got to ensure to stick right behind those designated tractors, keep line, go slow, no weapons allowed, no overtaking the other tractors allowed. Any outside elements trying to create trouble will be strictly punished. In fact, they've hired external security agencies to deploy some people there to monitor the tractor rally. That's how planned it seems like the farmers are for tomorrow's big Republic Day Kisan Tractor Rally.
Yes, Nabila, and what we are talking to the farmer leaders since morning, and we are also witnessing the how the tractors are coming in big number from different areas at Ghazipur border and at different borders. And what we are witnessing that these farmers are quite disciplined, and they are promising that they will abide by the rules, the do's and don'ts which are being decided by the Delhi police and even the farmer unions. So you can see at my background that several tractors are still coming, and there are a series of tractors which are standing right here at the Ghazipur border. And tomorrow at 11 a.m. these tractors will start from Ghazipur border and they will go up to Akshardham, and then will take a U-turn towards Anand Vihar and then towards Dasna and again come back to the Ghazipur. So the route is decided, how they have to behave, what should be the speed, what are the do's and don'ts. They have to put a tricolor flag on their tractor. Even the union flag is allowed, but that has to be smaller in size than the tricolor flag. So all these nitty-gritties are being worked out, and now the farmers, you can see how they are quite prepared. आप लोग किस तरीके से तैयार हैं? किस तरीके से तैयार हैं? कल की रैली कैसी होगी?
कल की रैली ऐसी होगी, ना जाने कैसी होगी। हर तरीके से पूरा दिल्ली घेर देंगे, टोटल XYZ। और मोदी जी सुनो, मोदी से कह दो XYZ।
So they are prepared. You are listening that these farmers are quite prepared, and they are quite enthusiastic, and they are not.
What XYZ means from start to end, they've completely prepared themselves. Right, we got your point, Kumar Kunal. XYZ. Completely prepared. That's what the farmers say. So from start to end, it seems like the farmers are fully ready, prepared for the massive tractor rally that they've been planning for months. Remember, they've touched 61 days.